Welcome to my channel. This channel is gonna be focused on techniques rather than the recipe. We're gonna focus on seasoning. We're gonna focus on pans, on pots. What's the difference to use non-stick, stainless steel? What kind of oil you use? What kind of seasoning? All that is gonna be discussed in this channel. And of course, we're gonna put a recipe every week for you to enjoy from beginning to end. From the pans, from the oils, from the seasoning, from the knives, is gonna be all created step by step. But the mainly important thing in this channel, it will be techniques, because techniques is gonna lead you to create a beautiful dish that is gonna separate from you to the rest of the crowd. And techniques is what makes the food look more elegant. So stay tuned for this channel. If you don't wanna miss any videos or any techniques, don't forget to subscribe. If you find this video with value, you know what to do. Subscribe, stay tuned, and definitely we're gonna have at least 2 videos weekly and 1 full video that I have to prepare my dishes weekly. Stay tuned for that. Welcome to Chef in Los Angeles.